A very good morning, friends. Today we'll continue lecture number 10 on differentiation. Basically, in this lecture, we'll be doing derivative of parametric function. So let us begin lecture number 10 on parametric derivative. Theorem is if x is equal to ft and y is equal to gt are differential functions of t, so that y is, and if dy by dx is not equal to 0, then if dy by dt is not equal to dx by dt is not equal to 0. See, y depends upon t and x also depends upon t. So let delta t be a small increment in and let corresponding increments in x and y be delta x and delta y respectively. As delta t tends to 0, that time delta x also tends to 0. In usual notation, delta y by delta x is what? Delta y by delta t upon delta x by delta t. Taking limit as delta t tends to 0, we get limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta x limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta t upon delta x by delta t. Therefore, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equal to limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta t upon limit delta t tends to 0, delta x by delta. Equation number 1. Reason is what? As delta t tends to 0, delta x also tends to 0. Since x and y are given to be differentiable functions of t, therefore limit delta t tends to 0, delta x by delta t, and limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta t, both will exist and finite, and limit delta t tends to 0, delta x by delta t is equal to dx by dt, limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta t, dy by dt. Since both the limits on right hand side of equation 1 exist, both the limits on right hand side of equation 1 exist, therefore limit on left hand side of equation 1 will also exist, and limit delta x is 0, delta y by delta x is what? Therefore equation 1 becomes dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt, provided dx by dt not equal to 0. Now we'll do problems based on parametric functions. X is what? AT square, and y is what? Here both x and y are differentiable functions of t. So differentiating with respect to t, we get ds by dt is what? A constant, take outside, derivative of t square is 2t, which is 2at. And dy by dt is what? 2a constant, take outside, derivative of t is what? 1, which is 2a. dy by dx is what? dy by dt upon dx by dt, which is 2a upon 2at 1 by t. X is t plus 1 upon t raised to a, and y is a raised to t plus 1 upon t. Differentiating with respect to t, dx by dt is what? Take derivative of power. A t plus 1 upon t raised to a minus 1 into d by dt of t plus 1 upon t. A into t plus 1 upon t raised to a upon t plus 1 upon t 1 minus 1 upon t square. And t plus 1 upon t raised to a is what? X. Ax divided by t plus 1 upon t into 1 minus 1 upon t square. And dy by dt is what? Derivative of a raised to t plus 1 upon t. A raised to t plus 1 upon t log a into d by dt of t plus 1 upon t. A raised to t plus 1 upon t is what? Y. Log a 1 minus 1 upon t square. Now dy by dx is what? Dy by dt upon dx by dt. Dy by dt is what? Y log a into 1 minus divided by dx by dt is what? Ax upon t plus 1 upon t 1 minus 1 upon y log a upon ax into t plus 1 upon t will go out. And t plus 1 upon t is what? Log y upon log a. Log y upon, which is y log y, log a will get cancelled upon ax. Since y is equal to a raised to t plus 1 upon t, so log y is what? T plus 1 upon t log a. Therefore, log y upon log a is what? T plus 1 upon t. X is cos inverse 2t upon 1 plus t square, and y is sec inverse x is cos inverse Put T is what? Tan theta. So theta is what? Tan inverse T. Next. So x will become cos inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus, and y will become sec inverse root 1 plus tan square theta. Cos inverse sin 2 theta. Cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus pi by 2 minus 2 theta, which is pi by 2 minus 5 by 2 minus 2 tan inverse t, and y is equal to sec inverse and theta is what? Tan inverse t. Differentiating dx by dt is what? And dy by dt is what? So dy by dx is what? One upon one plus p square minus 2 upon minus 1 upon 2. X is equal to cos inverse 4 t cube minus 3t and y is equal to tan inverse root 1 minus t square upon t. Put t is equal to cos theta. So theta will be cos inverse t. So x will become cos inverse 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, which is cos inverse cos 3 theta, which is 3 theta, 3 cos inverse t. And y will be what? Tan inverse root 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta. In this case, it is not required that in both here to substitute same thing. But luckily here we are substituting. You can substitute different things also in both. Sin theta upon cos theta. Tan inverse tan theta will be what? Theta. And theta is what? Cos inverse t. So x can be written as 3 times y. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of x is what? 1 is equal to 3 dy by dx. So this implies dy by dx is what? 1 upon 3. X is a cos cube theta and y is a sine cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 3. Since x is what? A cos cube theta and y is a sine cube theta, differentiating with respect to theta. So derivative of x with respect to theta is what? A constant take outside, 3 cos square theta into d by d theta of cos theta. 3a cos square theta into minus sine theta. Minus 3a cos square theta sine theta. And dy by d theta is what? A will come outside, derivative of sine cube. 3 sine square theta into d by d theta of sine theta. 3a sine square theta, derivative of sine theta is what? Cos theta. dy by dx is what? dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. 3a sine square theta cos theta upon minus 3a cos square into sine. 3a will get cancelled. One sine is left in numerator upon cos. Now we want dy by dx when theta is what? Pi by 3 minus 10 pi by 3. And tan 60 is what? Minus root 3. X is t plus 2 sine pi t and y is 3t cos pi minus cos pi t. Differentiating with respect to t. Dx by dt is what? Derivative of t is 1 plus 2 cos pi t into d by dt of pi t. 1 plus 2 cos pi t into pi. 1 plus 2 pi cos pi t. And dy by dt is what? 3. Derivative of cos is what? Minus sine. So sine pi t into d by dt of sine pi t into pi, which is equal to dy by dx is what? dy by dt upon dy by dt is what? 3 plus pi sin pi t upon 1 plus 2 pi cos phi t. So dy by dx when t is 1 by 2, 3 plus pi sin pi by 2 upon 1 plus 2 pi cos pi by 2. 3 plus pi into 1 upon 1 plus 2 pi into 0. So 3 plus pi upon 3 plus pi is this. X is a root sec theta minus tan theta and y is a root sec theta plus tan theta. We have to prove dy by dx is what? Minus y by x. Say this. X is a root sec theta minus tan theta. And y is what? A root sec theta plus tan theta. Therefore, x into y is what? A square into root sec square theta minus so xy is what? A square. Differentiating with respect to x, u into v, x derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is 1 is equal to 0. So x dy by dx is what? Minus y. Therefore, dy by dx is what? Minus y by x. X is e raised to sine 3t and y is what? E raised to cos 3t. X is e raised to sine 3t and y is what? E raised to cos 3t. Taking log on both sides. Log x is what? Sine 3t and log y is what? Cos 3t. Squaring and adding, we get log x the whole square plus log y the whole square is equal to sin square 3t plus therefore log x the whole square plus log y the whole square is equal to 1. Differentiating with respect to x, we get derivative of log x square for 2 log x into dy dx of log x plus 2 log y into dy dx of is equal to 0. So 2 log x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus 2 log y into 1 upon y into derivative of y is equal to 0. Therefore, 2 log y upon y dy by dx is equal to minus 2 log x upon x. 2 to cancel. So dy by dx is what? Minus y will go up and log y will come down as required. Thank you very much. Tread gently on the fallen leaf. Sir, it once sheltered you from the sun. गिरे हुए पत्तों पर जरा ध्यान रखिए साहब, इन्होंने ही एक समय सूर्य की छाया दी थी, सूर्य से तुमको बचाया था, धूप से. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हर चीज की कदर करनी है. ये नहीं कि कोई चीज गिर गई है उसे हमें उठाना नहीं है. ध्यान दीजिए. टेक केयर. थैंक यू.